The South Korean company Hanwha Defense Systems was established in 1937 to provide defensive solutions, including infantry fighting vehicles, air defense weapons, launching systems, high-precision navigation, and laser weapons. The AS21 Redback is a South Korean modern export infantry fighting vehicle prototype designed specifically for Australia's Land 400 Phase 3 program, also known as the Mounted Close Combat Capability. The idea being to replace the aging M113 AS4 armored personnel carriers in Australian service for 450 modern, well-protected infantry fighting vehicles and 17 maneuver support vehicles. Australia has sought to replace its older vehicles, which first entered service in the mid-1960s, with something more modern. When the contest was announced back in April of 2018, the South Korean Hanwha Defense Company, responsible also for the K-21 infantry fighting vehicle, saw the opportunity to show the world what it is truly capable of and applied with an infantry fighting vehicle proposal named AS21 Redback. Team Redback is the group of companies led by Hanwha Defence Australia and includes Electro Optics Suites, Elbit Systems, Eclipse, Milspec, Bisalloy, Susi, Marand, CBG Systems, and several other Australian companies. In this video, we are going to take a closer look at the details of the AS21 Redback. Before we get started, if you do enjoy this video and would like to see more just like it, remember to give us a like and subscribe to our channel to get more sent straight to your notifications. The designation AS21 Redback does have a meaning. AS stands for Australia, and the name Redback refers to the venomous Australian redback spider that is one of the few spiders that can actually kill a human with the neurotoxins they produce. The truly interesting part of the designation is the number 21. It seems that the marketing department of Hanwha tried here to refer to the excellent reputation of the K-21 infantry fighting vehicle. Plenty of sources also mention that the vehicle is closely based on the K-21. In fact, it is a much more advanced version and is more or less an offshoot of the K-31 program, which is, in fact, the program to develop K-21's future replacement. Unlike the other Land 400 Phase 3 program competitors, it was designed specifically for Australia, giving it quite an advantage. The vehicle was first mentioned during the 2018 Ground Forces exhibition, while the first prototype was unveiled in October of 2019 at the Seoul International Aerospace and Defense Exhibition. In January 2020, Hanwha-led Team Redback officially launched its Redback infantry fighting vehicle ahead of delivering 3 for evaluation trials as part of a risk mitigation effort for the Australian Army. The Redback is up against Rheinmetall's Lynx KF-41 for the 10 to 15 billion Australian dollar Land 400 Phase 3 program prize, which is due to announce a winner in 2022. With both options evenly matched in vehicle capabilities, Team Redback is eager to emphasize the economic benefits of its proposal, noting that the 3 Redback prototypes were built with Australian-made Bisalloy steel made in Unadera, New South Wales. Additionally, a Hanwha-commissioned PricewaterhouseCoopers report claims that its Land 400 Phase 3 Australian Industry Capability Package can generate 9 billion Australian dollars in total economic impacts across Australia, with 5.7 billion generated in Victoria, where the production Redback will be built in a purpose-built facility in Geelong. The AS21 Redback is presented as the lightest and cheapest proposition. Overall, betting on an Asian product is expected to cost the Australian government up to 50% less than choosing any other offer. The risk mitigation effort involves detailed tests and evaluations on lethality, blast and ballistics, transportability, and mobility of the vehicles, taking place throughout 2021 with the aim of providing objective quality evidence to support a government decision on the preferred platform. The selected platform is expected to become operational between 2024 and 2025. The AS21 has a traditional track and wheel drive arrangement involving 6 double-tired road wheels to a hull side. The hull itself has slab sides with armored skirts protecting the upper reaches of the track run. The glacis plate is shallow and well sloped towards the turret roof. Atop the turret sits a complete traversable turret with an unobstructed 360-degree reach. Among the technologies employed on the Redback is Elbit's Iron Vision system that allows crew members to see through the vehicle using augmented reality. Elbit also supplies the Iron Fist hard-kill active protection system employed on the Redback. In addition to supplying the basis of the Redback's T2000 turret, its MT30 KK2 turret is mated to Electro Optics Systems optical sensors, which offers advanced sensing, engagement, and command and control capabilities. The T2000 turret is equipped with an Mk44S Bushmaster 2 30mm autocannon that comes standard with a fuse setter for programmable munitions for maximum compatibility with all 30 by 173mm shells currently in service with users around the world. The rate of fire ranges from 100 to 200 rounds per minute, with the capability of carrying 200 rounds. Depression and elevation angles range from -10 to +60 degrees. A 7.62 by 51mm coaxial machine gun is standard, with a supply of 690 rounds ready to fire and another 2,000 in the turret. There is also an EOS-supplied remote weapon station capable of accepting 7.62 by 51mm general-purpose machine guns, 12.7 by 99mm heavy machine guns, or automatic grenade launchers. A double feed system consists of one belt with APF SDS-T shells, the other with HE shells, which can be switched instantly. The Australian camo-schemed Redback on display at the launch also has a retractable launcher holding 2 Spike ER-2 anti-tank guided missiles. For future growth capabilities, the Bushmaster 2 is easily upgraded to fire Super 40 40mm ammunition with the exchange of just 3 parts. Aside from the Iron Fist APS, Plasan Modular Armor provides STANAG 4569 Level 2 to 6 protection, with frontal resistance to 30mm autocannon AP and APF SDS shells at a range of 500 meters. Innovative blast mitigation systems allow for new interior arrangements that no longer require suspended footresses and other previously used arrangements, owing to the use of in-arm hydropneumatic suspension that frees up space that would otherwise be occupied by torsion bars, in addition to providing better occupant comfort. Further improving ride quality over rough terrain and reducing noise are SUSI rubber band tracks. It also features a floating floor to mitigate the effects of mines or improvised explosive devices. The Redback Infantry Fighting Vehicle weighs 42 tons, of which 6 tons go to the turret. It has a crew of 3 men, commander, gunner, and driver, and can carry 8 troops in the back. The infantry fighting vehicle will be powered by an MTU 8-cylinder diesel engine, which generates a power output of 1,000 horsepower. The power pack will enable the vehicle to run at a maximum speed of more than 65 km per hour on asphalt roads and 40 km per hour in off-road conditions, and attain a maximum range of 520 km. As the tests continue on both the AS21 and Lynx KF41, it looks to be an exciting fight between the bidders, which will determine the winner and supplier of the successors of the Australian M113 AS4 transporters. Which of the enterprises will the money flow to? Who will fail in their bid? Currently, it is impossible to answer these questions. At first glance, the greatest optimists may be the stewards of the German Rheinmetall, who won the tender for Boxers. Probably the impact on the potential victory of the Germans may be the reduction of long-term vehicle maintenance costs. The Lance 2.0 turret, which has been integrated with both vehicles, is of great importance in this tender, making it possible to use interchangeable parts. It will be very important to reduce costs by standardizing the training of crews in the use of weapons. The AS21 Redback is no less interesting. Although the South Korean proposal seems to be the most exotic, Hanwha Defense Systems is facing more experienced opponents with greater possibilities and potential, but it is not doomed to failure. Other assumptions of the Ministry of Defense will be important for the tender, in particular, the awarding of points to offers that enable the reduction of costs of purchasing and maintaining vehicles. The bidding documents emphasize that the key factor will be the potential savings through as many similarities as possible with the Land 400 Phase 2 project. What do you think of the AS21 Redback? Do you think it stands a good chance against the Lynx KF41? Are there any other feats of engineering you'd like to see us cover? Let us know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel to get our latest videos sent straight to your notifications. Thanks for watching.